Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Taylor and today I will be talking about how to manifest money. 3 ways to get that money in the healthiest way possible. Let's get started. So the first way is scripting, okay? And that's what I did. And scripting, you write down all of the positive things about money, like what do you wish to come through with money? And I snagged a lot of different ideas from different YouTubers on what are some type of things that you want to put out into the universe. That way you're able to get money in the healthiest way possible, okay? So some things that I wrote down was, I love the new finances I'm receiving. I am expecting money to come to me. I'm grateful for the money I'm receiving. So the second thing is creating a vision board. And a vision board is being able to have a visual, being able to see all the pictures and words that you want to get out of money. Okay, so I created a vision board just for this video that I will be posting. That way you guys know what I'm talking about. What is a vision board? Here we go. Here it is. All right, so number 3 is feeling as if you already have the money, right? And it's got to be specific, whatever that may be. So mine will be, I will have $10,000 transferred to my account by September of 2019 in a healthy way. I will receive a check for this $10,000. All right, so with that example, I said in a healthy way, because when you're spewing out that you want money and a bunch of it, that's awesome, but that could end into something horrible, like you getting into a car accident and getting a settlement for $10,000 or something like that. So you don't want anybody to get hurt. You don't want to get hurt. So saying in a healthy way makes sure that the universe knows that, okay, they want it in a healthy way. They don't just want it randomly, because the universe works in mysterious ways, so you want that to be in a positive way, okay? So there's that. The specific amount that you want and how you want it. You need all of that in there, okay? So those are my ways. Please let me know in the comment section what way works best for you. If you have an experience that you want to share with me, please let me know, okay? Thanks for tuning in, y'all, and be on the lookout for my next video. And you stayed with me for this long, so please like, comment, and or subscribe, and click the notification bell for my next video. See you guys next time. Bye.